Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to install Android packages using APK installer. You can install it from Microsoft Store. It's a brand new app. We have an old app called APK installer Pacman. You can install any APK or any Android packages using one click. And open. We have here ADB is missing. You click OK and will download it. So simply it will download ADB automatic. You didn't need to download ADB by yourself. Okay, I will close this one and I have here Microsoft Launcher. Okay, I will run Windows Subsystem for Android. Okay, and close this window and reopen it. And install. And start or launch. Get started. And skip. Not now. And it work, as you see. Okay, we'll try another app, KWGT. We can choose here open with to make it by default. Launch. Okay, and it worked. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, please like, subscribe, and share the video to get all new videos. Goodbye.